So we got our car. It went pretty quick. So we were just waiting there, and all of a sudden Kirsten saw our car come off the train from a distance, and they called our number, good old 73. And we quickly went out and just like, you hop in the car and you just go. And we don't want to waste time making a video of it, trying to be nice. Sorry you didn't get to see that. But yeah, quickly got in the car, just went, and now we're waiting outside of the subway that's nearby. Getting lunch. It's already 1:53 now. And then I think if we have time, it's 30 minutes away, maybe we go to the Daytona International Speedway. See if we can do a tour. The last tour is at 3, so hopefully we can make it in time. And go see that. And then go to our hotel, shower, and hit the hotel happy hour, I think. So, anyway, we're kind of hungry. And maybe to the beach, right, Cecilia?
Yeah.
To the beach? So, I was waiting for that. Kirsten's in there getting the subway. Josiah, do you know where we are? Tired girl. Josiah, you look at Daddy. Yeah. So we got our hotel room. This is the balcony. You like it, Cecilia? Alright, so not jump too close to the edge though. We're out to the beach. What do we just have? What was it called? Drink happy hour, right? So the hotel had some happy hour, and I talked to some nice folks who were next to us, and this was 1 hour. I had some, cheap beer, some Obama Breeze and Crema Vodka, or Bahama Mama. Not Bahama Breeze, Bahama Mama.
Look at my hair.
Look at your hair. Wow.
Oh, we're gonna go out now to the beach. Beach is full.
So that's our hotel right here, but the beach access is, you can't access it from the hotel. It's so damaged from a hurricane. So now we're walking, and we'll see how good this noise canceling unit's on, the sound. Kirsten, would you say it's super windy?
Super windy.
Super windy. Thanks, Mai. No, it's very flat. It's pretty nice out. It's a little cold, but. All right, you want to put your feet in?
I'll put them in.
I'll videotape you.
Just put your feet in.
Should we do it together? It's a little cold. Yeah, it's cold. But it's very flat. It's kind of cool. There's not many people here. Sprite. It's only Sprite. Don't get any ideas. I didn't bring anything from happy hour. I think we're the second from the left on the top. So far, I like Daytona Beach. It's not bad. I mean, it's not your classiest beach. It's good enough for me. At the happy hour, it was an older crowd. Let's just say that. All right. Anyway, not bad. It's what is it? 6:48. So we gotta hurry up and make dinner and get a little game for tonight.
So this is what we're having for dinner. Cheesy ranch chicken. Comes with these sauce packets that you have to open. Put in the pot. Then you just dump in this and let it simmer for like 20 minutes. So I think this is about done. Looks like creamy and everything looks pretty warm. Turn that down and off. And then Cecilia is going to have these chicken nuggets for dinner. Never heard of this brand, but it was on sale at the Winn-Dixie, so I'm gonna try it out.
What are you working on, Cecilia?
A word book.
A word book? Word search? You have 2 more left?
Yep.
You gonna get them all?
No, 3 more.
3 more? Where? Oh, 3 more, yeah. So this is our room. This is the balcony. It's dark out, you won't really see much. And then we got 2 beds, a little closet, I won't really use. A little kitchen area. 2 stoves. And then a decent sized freezer. And fridge. Obviously not much in there. And we have our bathroom here. And a simple bathroom. But it works.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So it's 9:17 on Wednesday, April 12th. We are driving on 95 to go see my friend from college. And
Erica.
My friend Erica. That's her name. And yeah, so far it's been a pretty easy drive on 95. So be there in about a little less than an hour and see what it's like. She lives kind of close to Melbourne Beach.